Hey there, my lovely friends. Welcome back to the Friendly English Podcast, the warmest place on the internet to learn real, simple, and friendly English. I'm Sophia, your cheerful English coach and best friend in your English journey. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics ever, food. Yes, that's right. Today's lesson is called Talking About Your Favorite Food in English. If you've ever been in an English class or a conversation and someone asked you, "What's your favorite food?" and you froze like a block of ice, don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll sound natural, confident, and deliciously fluent. So grab a snack, relax, and let's learn together. You know, food is such a big part of our lives. We eat when we're happy, when we're sad, when we're celebrating something special, or just because we're hungry. So when someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" they don't only want to know what you eat. They want to know about you. Food shows our culture, our childhood, our memories, and our feelings. So how can we talk about food in a way that's simple but interesting? Let's start with some natural phrases you can use. Let's begin with a few easy sentence patterns. Pattern 1. My favorite food is underscore underscore underscore. Simple and clear. For example, my favorite food is sushi. My favorite food is spaghetti. My favorite food is fried rice. Tip: make sure to use the singular word food, not foods. We say, my favorite food is pizza. Not my favorite foods are pizza. Now, let's make it more natural. Pattern 2. I really love underscore underscore underscore. This sounds a bit more emotional and friendly. I really love Korean barbecue. I really love chocolate cake. I really love spicy noodles. This phrase shows feeling, not just fact. Pattern 3. I'm crazy about underscore underscore underscore. This is fun and expressive. It means you really like something. I'm crazy about pasta. I'm crazy about mangoes. I'm crazy about street food. Now, your turn. Repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza. I really love fried rice. I'm crazy about noodles. Good job. You sound more natural already. Pattern 4. I could eat underscore 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 every day. This means you never get tired of that food. I could eat pasta every day. I could eat tacos every day. I could eat ice cream every day. Repeat after me. I could eat pasta every day. I could eat ice cream every day. Yum! Pattern 5. Underscore 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 reminds me of underscore underscore underscore. Now we get a little emotional. This phrase connects food with memory or feeling. Apple pie reminds me of my grandmother. Noodles remind me of home. Hot chocolate reminds me of winter mornings. Repeat after me. Noodles remind me of home. Hot chocolate reminds me of winter mornings. That's such a warm sentence, isn't it? When you talk about food, describing the taste makes your answer more interesting. Here are some useful words for taste. Taste type, sweet. Examples: cake, candy, chocolate. Taste type, salty. Examples: chips, fries, popcorn. Taste type, spicy. Examples: curry, chili, kimchi. Taste type, bitter. Examples: coffee, dark chocolate. Let's try. I love spicy food like curry. I like sweet desserts like chocolate cake. I don't really like bitter coffee. You can also add adjectives like delicious, tasty, yummy, flavorful, fresh. This soup is so delicious. That pizza looks yummy. The salad is fresh and tasty. Perfect. When you answer the question, "What's your favorite food?" don't stop after one sentence. Add why you love it. Example: My favorite food is sushi because it's light and fresh. I also love how beautiful it looks on the plate. Another example. I love fried rice because it reminds me of home. My mom used to make it when I came home from school. I'm crazy about pizza because it's fun to share with friends. Repeat after me. I love sushi because it's light and fresh. I love fried rice because it reminds me of home. I'm crazy about pizza because it's fun to share. Let's practice a short, natural conversation. Sophia, what's your favorite food? My favorite food is ramen. Sophia, oh, really? Why do you like it? Because it's warm, tasty, and makes me feel good. Sophia, nice. I love ramen too, especially on a cold day. Now let's do it together. You repeat your lines after me. My favorite food is ramen because it's warm, tasty, and makes me feel good. Awesome! You're doing great! Now it's time for our fun section. Let's learn two food-related idioms you'll hear in real English conversations. Idiom 1, piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy to do. Example, that English test was a piece of cake. So it doesn't mean cake, it means easy. Idiom 2, spice things up. Meaning, to make something more interesting or exciting. Example, let's spice things up and try a new restaurant tonight. You can use it for life, not just food. Now you know English can be delicious too. In many English-speaking countries, people often ask, "What kind of food do you like?" Or, "Are you a foodie?" The word foodie means someone who really loves food and enjoys trying new dishes. You can say, "I'm a foodie. I love trying new restaurants." How about you? Are you a foodie too? Let's shine our spotlight on today's key vocabulary. Word delicious meaning very tasty. Example, this pizza is delicious. Word flavor meaning the taste of something. Example, the flavor of this soup is amazing. Word crunchy meaning makes a hard sound when you bite it. Example, I love crunchy chips. Word spicy meaning has a hot taste. Example, I like spicy food. Repeat after me. This pizza is delicious. The flavor of this soup is amazing. My friends, food connects us all. It doesn't matter where you come from. Everyone has that one dish that feels like home. Maybe it's something your mom cooks when you're sick. Maybe it's a sweet dessert from your country. Or maybe it's just pizza, and that's totally okay. When you talk about food in English, you're not just practicing words. You're sharing a part of your heart. So next time someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" Smile, take a deep breath, and tell your story with love. You're doing amazing. Keep going, keep speaking, and keep growing. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What's your favorite food? I love crunchy chips. The salad tastes fresh. I like spicy food. Fantastic. I'll read your answers and reply. I love learning about your cultures and favorite dishes. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep learning with me here on the Friendly English Podcast. See you soon, my friends. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the Friendly English Podcast, where learning English feels